Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be walking you through how to embed a Google Sheet directly into your website or blog. This is a super handy skill whether you want to share live data, update information in real time, or make resources accessible to your visitors without constantly updating your site manually. And don't worry if you don't have your own website yet. I'll show you a totally free option with Google Sites so anyone can follow along. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to have a Google Sheet ready to go. This could be anything, maybe a schedule you want to share, a price list that updates often, or even a collaborative project tracker. The important thing is that you have your sheet set up in Google Drive. Now at the top of your Google Sheets window, you'll see a menu bar with all sorts of options. What you want to do here is click on File. This opens up a drop-down menu, and from here look for the Share option. Sharing is key because you're giving your website permission to display live information from your sheet. Go ahead and click on Share, and then keep your eye out for the Publish to the Web option. This is what's going to turn your spreadsheet into something you can embed. When you click Publish to the Web, you'll see a couple of options. Select the Embed tab. This is really important. Choosing Embed instead of Link means your sheet will actually appear on your site, not just as a clickable link, but visually embedded, almost like a living web page inside your site. That's what makes this feature so cool. It's dynamic and always up to date. Next, you'll need to decide how much of the sheet you want to show. You can embed a specific tab or the entire document. For now, let's keep it simple and choose the entire document. This way, your viewers see everything you want to share. But if you're working with sensitive info or just need to show one sheet, you can always pick a specific one. Once you've selected Entire Document, go ahead and hit Publish. A little warning might pop up, just making sure you're okay with making this sheet visible on the web. If everything looks good, confirm it. Once it's published, Google Sheets will generate a block of HTML code. Don't worry if HTML seems intimidating, it's just a snippet you'll paste into your website. Click the Copy button to grab this embed code. If you already have a website with the ability to edit HTML, you'll just paste it where you'd like the sheet to appear. But if you want to use a free and easy option, let's hop over to Google Sites. Open Google Sites and either create a new site or open the one you want to edit. On the right-hand toolbar, usually in the lower corner, you'll find an Embed button. Click that and a box will pop up asking for your code. Go ahead and paste the HTML embed code you just copied from Google Sheets. After you paste it in, click Next and then Insert. Just like that, your live Google Sheet will appear right on your site. You can move it around or resize it to fit your layout. And best of all, any updates you make in Google Sheets will automatically reflect here, so there's no need to re-embed or update anything manually. And that's it. You've now got a real-time, interactive Google Sheet living on your website. This is a game changer if you want to keep your information fresh and your visitors informed. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another tool you want to learn about. And of course, subscribe for more easy guides just like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.